Let's say you've just added a new skill to Claude and you don't know how to use it or how to launch it. In this video, I will share with you how to trigger or launch a skill in Claude in order to use it. So step one, just type I want, or let's say simply click on or type dash. You will see a list of the available skills on your account. For example, I want to use this one, hit enter and just continue your chat. For example, let's say that this skill turns content to an email. Just paste your content here or type it and hit enter. And the skill or the selected skill will automatically understand that you want to turn the content that you just pasted below it, and you will apply your skill instructions on it. So it is simply yes, and AI is already smart to understand that your text here or your skill here should be applied on your text below it. There is no specific order or order to you need to follow. Just select the skill that you want to use this way and then paste your content if needed. And this is how to trigger or launch your skill on Claude to use it. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.